Hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with RD. So today I am going to tell you about the latest hackathon organized by Cricket Australia, HCL and Microsoft. So let's start this video with a very beautiful words which are like innovation is changing the game, so be a game changer. So basically this is a data and a cricket hackathon inspired by HCL with a prize pool of 40,000 US dollar, approx equal to 30 lakhs rupees. That's huge, isn't it? So basically the name of this hackathon is Tech Jam 2021. So this term may be new for someone and may be old for someone. So to maintain the balance, let me tell you what it is. So before moving, let me tell you this video is sponsored by soulcodes.org. So basically it's a blogging site which contain a very well structured, wonderful, easy language blogs on Python and automation. Do visit here and you will love the content. So make sure that you subscribe the blogging site so that you will never miss the latest update. So okay, so let's start. What actually is TechJam 2021? TechJam 2021 is a global collaborating platform to crowdsource technology-led innovation from the brightest mind across the globe to develop an implementable solution and prototype to transform the game of cricket on and off the field. As HCL is an official digital technology partner of Cricket Australia, so they will inspire the Cricket Australia to inspire love for the game across the community and the ecosystem. So basically they have a jury member from Microsoft, HCL and other tech giant company which will going to thoroughly review your project and prototype and will going to give you the reward on that basis, right? You might be wondering about like what kind of challenges you need to solve in this hackathon. So basically they have four kind of challenges. Officially it is three, but one is a wildcard challenge as well. So the first challenge is the player performance. So this challenge requires solution for improving the player performance on the field and to improve the sports of cricket in Australia. So here you have a historical data provided. So on that basis you need to build a solution which can increase the overall win rate and performance of a cricket team on and off the field in Australia. Our second challenge is the fan engagement. So basically here you need to build a kind of solution which can improve the overall fan experience and to make the cricket even more engaging and to improve the fan expectation, minimize the operational disruption while seeing a COVID crisis and other factor. As we all know that it's a COVID time and we all must hesitate to go in a crowded place. So you need to build a kind of that solution. So our third challenge name is the community engagement. So in this challenge, you need to improve the overall community engagement so that so that the growth of the cricket in a future can be enhanced. So they are looking for a kind of solution which can improve the participation rate. So it's our third challenge. And our fourth challenge, that is the last one, is a wild card. So this is an open innovation challenge track in which you are welcome to come up with your own idea and submit for the Tech Jam. So if you are not satisfied with those upward three challenges, you can build your own challenge and to build a very effective solution for that. So that's our four kind of challenges which comes under this hackathon. So let's move on to the judging criteria. Who will going to judge you actually, right? Judging criteria is actually divided in a ratio of 25 50 25% for technical execution, like your solution, how effectively your solution is utilized by the team in available technology and how advanced your solution is. Second is a challenge fit, 50%, like how relevant is the solution to the challenge provided by the Cricket Australia and how your project works on that. And last is for innovation, 25% is for innovation, like your project is working or not, like that. एंड नाउ कम्स द मोस्ट अवेटेड थिंग, जिसके लिए आप काफ़ी देर से वेट कर रहे थे, लाइक कितना प्राइजेस मिलेगा अगर आप ये चैलेंज जीतेंगे तो. सो हियर इज अवर प्राइजेस लिस्ट. So here you have overall 40,000 prize pool with a 7 prize opportunity in which the grand prize is of 15,000 US dollar and the first runner up will earn 10,000 US dollar, second runner up will earn 5,000 US dollar and the last one, the fourth challenge track winner, that is one team from each of a challenge track will be awarded 2,500 USDs for best project in their tracks. So it's at overall price criteria. Hope you get understand. And now we comes on a last part, like what are the dates in which this registration will start and will going to end, right? So here comes the date. Registration for TechJam 2021 has started from June 14, 2021 and it will continue until 2 September 2021. So it's a guided mentor hackathon. So you have 6 weeks to learn and to dive into the data set. like you can submit a project as early as can like July 22, 2021, but the date for submission of project will continue till 2 September 2021, and after that you can't edit your project. And if your solution matches the above criteria, you will be rewarded with a suitable prizes. So now let's move on to the last part, like how you can register for this hackathon. Registration process is quite simple. You just need to click onto the register button, right, and after that you will be heading towards their another page in which you will going to create an account for that. And once you have created your account and finalized their privacy policy, then you need to build a profile, and on that basis the mentor will assign to you, and you just need to build a solution and submit a project, right? That's all for today's video. If you like the content, you can like the video and subscribe the channel so that you will be notified for more such updates. So thank you, bye.